Hey guys, today we want to walk through with node found page of the Next.js routing system, right? I mean, that's all about error handling. Yeah, in the navigation, in the redirections in the routing system. For example, if I'm mistaken in the routing, you can see right here, it's just returning by default provided by the UI by Next.js. This page could not be found, right? It's a by default page, but we can just customize it and also add something like new, right? Yeah, it's very easy, not hard, not difficult. Um, let's get started. For example, if I'm gonna this page, open it up right here. I'm gonna create the not found page, not found dot t6. It should be similar with the name of this file, right? Because it's appearing instead of this default, default UI, right? You can see right here in the Next.js official website. For example, we can just search for not found page. For example, you can see right here. How can I do this in like something like this? Let me just copy that file and just put it here and return something. For example, h1 in an h1 tag and class name, for example, text center and text for XL, node found page that I write here. If I'm gonna refresh this page, not working here, but I will try it one more time. No, it's not working because I'm just creating the file for the whole page, right? Not whole page, but in the profile page, not profile, but the whole, right? Yeah, I'm just copy it up here, remove it, and you can see right here, it's working, you know? Um, yeah, that's easy. That's easy. If you just create something beautiful and make it convenience and also convenient for everyone for user interface, you can just update it something like you can put the here not found page or something like this. For example, if I'm gonna search for tailwind CSS, just a template, searching for the template, not found page. It's ready for tailwind. This is 44 flow beat. I'm just gonna copy the file, show code, just copy and put it here, right? Because I didn't want to write the code from the scratch because it takes a lot of time. Uh, but just updating the class to class name. Yeah, that's all. I think that's all. What the problem here? Something. Ah, it's just ESLint error. That it's not important in our case, right? For example, a tag back to home page. For example, if I'm gonna, it's not working because when we don't want to learn the new thing right here. For example, student page is not available in our uploader, right? It's returning this page, something missing, blah blah blah. Yeah. You can see you can update anything else that you want, whatever you want, right? But the second one is we just created the not found page in the full uh directory up the up folder directory, right? But for example, it's nested routes, products or product ID, blah blah blah. We can use it right here. How can I do this? You can see, for example, product, products 3 and review 100. It's our products 3 review 100, right? Uh, If just more than it's one more than the 10 100 in for example 101 102 blah blah blah, it should be returned in the not found page, right? How can I do this? It's easy guys. For example, in this page we can just wrap it up. Let me copy the file, and and using brackets it should be displayed clearly, right? Yeah. uh let me the let me write here the condition. If parse int because I'm just gonna uh review ID is updating the review ID, and just if review ID number is more than 100, it should be returned in the not found page, right? Review ID 100 is greater than 100, it should be return not found page, not found. Oh, sorry, not found page. Yeah, it's importing the from the next navigation, right? Taking account this package, please, because if it's not just something like something went wrong, it's not working, right? Review ID, I think it's working, but something went wrong. Boolean is not decided by the parameter of the string. It's not Boolean, but yeah. Sorry. I'm just taking the code right here because we just convert it into from the string to into number, right? If I'm gonna refresh the page, it just still having the 105 and not return. We just remove it. Only the not found page. Yeah, that's working, right? Only the not found page importing from the next navigation. Yeah, it's working. If just put in the 100, it's not returning error because yeah, it depends on our condition, right? Yeah, sometimes it's working. For example, and right here you can see nested not found page for yourself, right? I mean, different files and different layouts, you can update it, right? Depends on your desire. It depends on the case. For example, not found page. Let me change up that. Uh, only the H1 and not found. Only this one. Um, okay. If I'm just gonna pathing the 101, not found, right? It's displaying the nested not found page, not the whole not found page, right? I think you understand what I mean by that. Yeah, it's not hard, it's not difficult because sometimes you can you need some customizable not found page in different rows in different segments, right? Yeah, if that is the case, it's just you can implement this by doing myself right here, right? Yeah. Yes, that's all today, guys. I mean, next lesson we have another topic like file collocation. I mean, yeah, see you in the next video. Without further ado, thank you.